Hello, my beautiful friends, viewers, and my awesome subscribers. A warm welcome to my amazing channel, Fashion Addiction. Friends and viewers, how are you all? Hope you will be fine. May God bless you with more happiness every day. My dear viewers, we are doing our best to suggest you how yours will be the best style every day, and we are showing you the variety of dressing styles and updated fashion. And friends, today I'm gonna show you some of the best and the gorgeous designs of lining scattered dresses for lovely women. My dear friends, these dresses, designs and looks are very pretty and gorgeous as well. And friends, these dresses are only selected for you to maintain an impressive fashion sense of you. My dear friends, as we always try to make our subscriber stays updated about latest fashion, living style and much more. So friends and my lovely fans, please don't forget to subscribe my channel Fashion Addiction, and it would be an honor for me to serve you daily if you hit that like button also. And friends, don't forget to comment your suggestion of which video should do next. This makes me happy and motivates me to make more wonderful videos for you. My dear friends, in this video you will see the brilliant variety of lining scattered dresses, and these are selected only for you to maintain an impressive fashion sense of you. My dear friends, don't ever feel shy to comment. We will always try to answer all your queries of any type of fashion you need. So friends, these dresses are so comfortable and gorgeous that you can confidently wear them without any worry in formal or casual events. So friends and my lovely viewers, this is our today's video. We hope you must admire our work for you and kindly tell us about your opinion and great advices in the comments. Now friends, show your love by like, share and subscribe our channel, and you can make sure you press the bell icon so you never miss any future update from my channel Fashion Addiction. So friends, thank you so very much for watching my whole video. I hope you are enjoying my video. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will wait for your kind comments and also try to answer all your queries of any type of fashion you need. Friends, take care of yourself. Remember me in your prayers. Keep smiling. Take beautiful ideas from my channel. Love you all guys. This is your host Asad Shah.